Learn how to create preloaded NFC tags using Tigapo. From the Tigapo homepage, click on Visitors in the side menu as highlighted in green. The user page will open. For this guide, click on Bulk Load button as highlighted in blue on the visual. The Bulk Load Creation Wizard screen will open. For location, click on the arrow as highlighted to select the location according to your preferences. Otherwise, the default will be set by the system's user login default. Set a price to charge for each tag sold in the field as highlighted in red. Copy or paste a list of NFC tags in the area highlighted in red, or alternatively, you can use the enrollment reader to scan tags. After scanning the tags, click Next as highlighted in green to proceed. Review the pasted list of NFC tags and when ready to proceed, click on Next. Optional. Here you can grant users a number of credits when they purchase an NFC tag. To define the core elements of the preloaded tags, click the Add Component button as highlighted in red. Edit the components of the preloaded tags by selecting the machine types, duration, and setting the number of play sessions as highlighted in red. Once you have finished your settings for the NFC tags, click on the Create Cards and Tags button as highlighted in green. To authorize this action, insert your manager PIN code and click the Submit button. Thanks for watching.